Hello everyone, I'm Chaitanya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. The subject is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering and the topic is 3D printing. Let us know what is 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has transformed the mechanical engineering landscape. It allows for the rapid prototyping and production of complex geometries that were previously difficult to achieve. This technology is increasingly being integrated into design processes, enhancing innovation and efficiency. Evolution of 3D printing. In 1980s, development of stereolithography by Charles Hull. In 1990s, introduction of fused deposition modeling and selective laser sintering. In 2000s, industrial applications expanded in automotive and medical fields. In 2010s, which is a present era, advancements in metal 3D printing, multi-material printing and AI driven designs. Types of 3D printing technologies. Fused deposition modeling uses thermoplastic filaments. Stereolithography uses liquid resin cured by UV light. Selective laser sintering uses powder based material sintered by a laser. Direct metal laser sintering used for metal components. Binder jetting and polyjet printing, high resolution multi-material printing. Let us know how does 3D printing works. The first step is in designing the model. A 3D model is created using CAD. CAD, which means computer aided design software. The sub and the second step is convert to printable format. The model is converted into an STL, which means standard tessellation language file. The third step is slicing process. Specialized software slices the model into thin layers. And the fourth step is printing. The printer deposits material layer by layer to build the object. And finally, the last step is post processing. The printed object may require cleaning, curing, and assembly. And materials used in 3D printing. 3D printing can use a variety of materials, plastics like PLA and ABS, metals like aluminium and titanium, ceramics and composites, and biomaterials which is used in medical applications. Advantages of 3D printing. Setting up the production system is simpler because it involves fewer stages. There wouldn't be a need to store inventory in firms. Assembling products can be a simultaneous process to production. Layer by layer production allows for much greater flexibility and creativity in the design process. Parts can be completely redesigned so that they are stronger in the areas that they need to be and lighter overall. 3D printing significantly speeds up the design and prototyping process. Limitations of 3D printing. Expensive hardware and expensive materials. This leads to expensive parts, thus making it hard if you were to compete with mass production. It also requires a CAD designer to create what the customer has in mind, and it can be expensive if the part is very intricate. 3D printing is not the answer to every type of production method. Another major disadvantage of 3D printing is that the highly capable printers may potentially replace highly skilled workers, shifting entire companies and countries to people-less production. Applications of 3D printing. 3D printing has endless capabilities that can be applied to any industry can think of. Here are some examples of the various industries that 3D printing is utilized: automotive, consumer goods, healthcare and or medical, gaming and film, art or history, manufacturing, construction, and food. 3D printing is used in automotive or automobile industry to make special tooling and fixtures for unique parts, make prototypes for parts to test, can make customized pieces for specific cars, can create can create parts that have complex geometries regular manufacturing machines cannot could not produce. 3D printing is used in healthcare industry to make customized casts that fit perfectly to each patient. Research in 3D printing human tissue. Make prototypes for parts to test. Can and 3D printing molds of teeth for orthodontics. 3D printing is used in construction to make. 3D printing has been used to create affordable housing by 3D printing houses using cement and other building material. Need industrial sized 3D printers and much faster than traditional methods, and it is more cost effective. 3D printing in film, entertainment, and gaming. 3D printing is used by many makeup artists in the film industry to create unique props and characters. For example, Rick Baker, he was a famous makeup artist for Star Wars. Using 3D printing to create monsters and props, he was able to save so much time by printing specific pieces. Future trends in 3D printing. The future of 3D printing includes advancements in materials such as bioinks and metal alloys, integration with AI and machine learning, that is AIML. It is expected to optimize design processes and quality control. The growth of decentralized manufacturing and on site production is anticipated to reshape supply chains. Hereby I conclude this presentation by telling some words like 3D printing is a transformative technology that has redefined mechanical engineering practices. Its benefits is in design flexibility, cost savings, and rapid prototyping are undeniable. As the technology continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly vital role in future engineering.